Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, the place where we make fun of the idiots and the morons we see out here on the road. Now you know when you're going around a roundabout you are meant to give way to traffic from the immediate right. You are unless you're a brainless Uber idiot in a Toyota Prius who just pulls out to the right and he puts his hand up. Oh, before I left home this morning my mum told me this is my right hand right side. Give way to traffic from the right at a roundabout, but I'll get confused and I all the time. And another idiot who gets confused with left and right is this idiot driving the little white van. Thinks the left side is just for overtaking or undertaking everyone, and the right side is for squeezing up an Arctic truck and trying to smash your van up. He's got the hazard awareness of a blindfolded lemming running towards the cliff's edge. Okay, so in this next clip we're looking at a level crossing and the barriers have just started coming down, but that means nothing when you're in a double-decker bus. He just tapped that barrier and took it out, like you tap your Oyster card when you get on a bus. And here's the driver's view. We can see the red lights there, but maybe he's got colour dyslexia, I don't know. There's the barrier coming down on the left, boom. He took that one out, done a little swerve to the right, a little swerve to the left. His swerving agility is far better than his mental agility, I'll say that. Okay, so staying on the theme of the big red bus, you've got this clip here from John B. Now pay attention to this bus, he's turning left. He should have took a bit wider. Yes, he should, because there he done. He just clipped that traffic bollard. Steward's inquiry. There he goes. Catches the bollard. Takes the glass out on the door. That's history. The bus is swaying violently left to right. Now, Doris and Mabel were downstairs. They're on the way back from bingo. They've just opened up the tin of Werther's Original. And they're all over the place. Mabel's false teeth is on the floor too. Big complaint to the bus driver coming up. Okay, so staying on the theme of the Werther's Original, this next moron here has got the intelligence of a boiled sweet. Just laying under the front of the bus because he's got nothing better to do. Idiots like this are about as much use to society as a set of traffic lights without bulbs in. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Sonny Joe and they're just pulling up at the red traffic lights to let the pedestrians cross. You've got another set of pedestrians coming from the right, but that means nothing when you've got a BMW driver with the spatial awareness of a blind garden snail coming across the crossing. Okay, so you've got this next clip here from Big John going down the motorway, and what's happened there? Lots of smoke, we need a steward's inquiry. Oh, here we go. The car on the left starts moving to the right. Max Verstappen, who comes speeding down the outside in the silver Astra Max, didn't see him till the last minute, slammed the anchors on, loads of tyre smoke there, slammed into the concrete wall on the right hand side there, brown substance at the same time slammed into the inside of his pants, and he managed to save it. What a result. Okay, so you've got this little clip here from Tony A going down the road, but the moron just opens the door without looking. What sort of moron does that? I'll tell you what sort of moron, the sort of moron who's got less information stored in their brain than a USB stick. Okay, so you've got this clip here from James B. He's waiting at the red traffic light for it to change green. There's green, so you can go, but you can't when there's a moron in a Golf. A moron with one brain neuron, and that neuron's liquefied. Okay, so you've got this next clip here from Ed, and he's riding a motorbike in the rain. That's why the camera view looks like this. And he's been following this Uber idiot in this white Toyota Prius for a little while, and the car keeps swerving left and right and keeps hitting the brake lights for no reason at all, yeah? Dark and rainy night, bit dangerous out there. Most people are being careful, but not this brainless retard. No, because why? Because he's driving along, looking at his phone and holding his phone. He's probably on the phone to Siri. Saying, Siri, why isn't my intelligence increased since I was at nursery school? Okay, so you've got this next clip here from Barry G, and he's on a bike as well, going through the green light. But the moron's just come around the wrong side of the traffic island and gone the wrong way through the traffic lights. But you can tell the guy in the van is a gardener, because the person driving is a proper garden tool. Okay, so you've got this next clip here from Bob68. Now keep your eye on this little white van on the left, because the driver of the van ain't keeping his eye on anything. Just pulls to the right and slams into this vehicle here. What an idiot. He's got the directional ability, that driver, of a hard-boiled egg rolling down a steep, bumpy hill. Now, sometimes when you're involved in a car accident, you might get injured, yeah? So you need an ambulance, yeah? So you just call one and they come along and pick you up, get you on the stretcher, roll you in the back, and then, like this one, they could drive off and leave the door open and you fly at the back and roll down the road, like one of them old Carry On Doctor films. Okay, so from Carry On Doctor we go to Carry On Van Driver. Now keep your eye to the left because of this white van, because the driver of that white van weren't keeping his eye on anything. Now when you're driving in traffic like this, you have to behave as if you've gone to a party and your ex-partner's there, yeah? You want to keep your eye on them to make sure you don't get too close to them and keep your distance. Okay, so you've got this little clip here from Mary C going down through Richmond Park, across the roundabout, but the moron in the little blue car don't stop, don't give way to the right. Real damp match in a dark cave, that one. Okay, so you've got this little clip here from Mo, and he's following this BMW. The lights changed to red, but that means nothing for the entitled BMW driver, because that driver is a BMW, a brainless mental wonder. Now, I'm only talking about this particular BMW drivers. I don't mean all of you, so don't be hating on me in the comments, please. And here we have matey pulling his boat down the road without a trailer. Nothing, nothing unusual about that. Guys, if you like what you see so far and I put a smile on your face, can you put a smile on my face just by hitting that little like and subscribe button down below? It really does help. Thanks, guys. Right, let's have a look at some bikes. Looking at this guy going down here, he really should be braking, but there's no need for brakes when you've got an arm code barrier that's going to stop you dead in your tracks and flip you over like a mechanical ball's going to flip you off when you're at the fun fair. Right, now in this one, you've got two idiots. First is the idiot in the bus. He shouldn't have pulled out. He should have sat back. And the second one is the idiot riding the bike because he sees a bus pulling out and speeds up. Watch this. Why on earth would you do that? Look, watch the speedometer. Look, last time I checked, it's not optimal to speed up when a large immovable metal object is pulling out in front of you. Call me old-fashioned if you will. I had to stop the video there because YouTube wouldn't like it. Okay, so you've got this clip here from @TaxiManLondon. You'll find them on X. Now keep your eye on that bollard there where the red arrow's pointing to, yeah? Because this brainless cyclist isn't keeping their eye on anything. Straight into that bollard. That cyclist had the observational ability of a bull running around in a china shop with a sack over its head. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Ben N. He's going up towards Parliament Square, and you can actually see Big Ben there. And you can actually see a moron on a line bike going straight across Ben N. What an idiot. That guy on that bike is the sort of guy that buys high visibility clothing because he thinks it's going to help him with his eyesight. Okay, so you've got this next clip here from Moose, and he's going down the road here and going around towards the right. But what comes across his path? Two brainless retards on line bikes. Both of them fell out the stupid tree and fell on every branch on the way down. It takes a different level of brainlessness, doesn't it, to just pull out in front of cars all day long. Okay, so you've got this little clip here from Ben N again. And he's pulling it up to the zebra crossing, let the people go across, because that's what you do. Well, you do unless you're an entitled cyclist. Just goes by. That little girl, she flinched, she jumped, she thought the cyclist was going to hit her. Absolutely brainless. Got the intelligence of a used lithium battery, CR2032. Okay, so you've got this little clip here from Scott, and he's going down a one-way street the right way, but the moron on the Santander cycle's going the wrong way. He's also lost control, and at this point in time, he's got the navigational ability of an empty beer barrel going over the edge of a waterfall, but he's managed to save himself. He didn't go down, and he saved his coffee as well, but he couldn't save himself from soiling his underpants, I know. Okay, so you've got this little clip here from @Happiness Days, and you find them on X, and they're going through their green light, and you've got a couple more idiots with impaired cognitive ability. It actually surprises me how some of these idiots who ride like this actually manage the very complex task of pedaling the pedals in a circular motion. Okay, so you've got this clip here from @Edis1975, you find him on X, and we're looking at this cyclist approaching this truck with a trailer on, moving in traffic. He's got his phone in his hand, in case his shoelaces come undone and he has to phone his mum for advice. And of course, what do? You just go under that trailer while the truck's still moving. He's got the intellect of a bag of flour, this one. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Ludmill, and he's turning right onto Marylebone Road. Very busy road, 3 lanes. And coming the opposite way, the wrong way, is a moron on the line bike with the hazard awareness of a bird that builds its nest in the mouth of a jet engine. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Harvey Gin. He's going on behind this white van. And what we got on the left, we got the Deliveroo Dummeroo rider on the pavement. And he's got the L plate on the back, which signifies he's been lobotomised. He's just fresh out of the hospital, as you can see. Comes off the pavement to get out of the way of that very annoying pedestrian what's on there. And he gets back up on the pavement and he's on his way. Okay, so you've got this clip here from @Edis1975, and you'll find him on X, and we're looking at a cyclist near a concrete mixer going around a tight bend. What could possibly go wrong? And that's exactly what could go wrong. It takes so much effort to be this thick, honestly. That person's skull is as empty as a eunuch's underpants. Right, that's it for this one, everybody. Thank you so much for watching till the very end if you did. And if you did like what you see, please like and subscribe, guys. It really does help. Thanks a lot. What we're looking at here is a really stunning, immaculate old Bentley, built by a company called Lunaz. I'm going to put the link to the company down below. You can go and check out this car. It's actually an EV conversion, and it's absolutely stunning. Anyway, that's about it for now. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.